Bonjour French chic ladies. In winter, we tend to need and use more accessories than we do in the hot season. But does this mean that we will look more chic or just bulkier? This video is kindly sponsored by Cambridge Satchel Company. It's time to bundle up and be cozy, but chic. Starting with wraps and scarves. Although I wear long thin wool scarves, I do prefer the large wraps because they envelop your neck, your shoulders and even your head all at the same time. And you can also use them as a simple scarf. Actually, it never goes away because I do wear it on cool evenings or cool days in the spring and the summer. But in winter, it comes into its own. I don't think you can go wrong in the winter to wrap yourself in one of those, even at home, on the settee while watching television, or at your desk when it's really cool. Ladies, just because you wear wool wraps or wool scarves, it does not mean that you cannot wear silk scarves as well. This adds a touch of chic and elegance to your winter outfit. Do you like scarves? Let us know in the comments below. The next accessory to elevate your outfit is handbags. I have two handbags to show you today. So the first one is the Poppy in Delphinium Blue. Look at this. And it's a little bit surprising to have a light color in winter, but it's nice to add either pop of color or something a little bit paler, because otherwise I find most outfits are a little bit drab. Everything is dark. So this is why I love this color. In pure leather from Cambridge Satchel with nickel hardware, and this is all one piece of leather. I adore the smell. And it comes in, of course, with this strap and the bag for the bag. And it looks really elegant, but yet it adds a little bit of fun. This handbag will be 30% off during Cambridge Satchel Black Friday sale, so if you're interested, don't miss out on this one. The next handbag is the Emily tote in fur green, but fur as in Christmas tree. That is a classic in my view. I love also the gold hardware with twist lock. This is so roomy. Look how roomy that is. Practical to carry around. This one is closed. I like that for safety aspect. And look at this, 4 feet as well, which is really handy to keep the bag off the floor. You can have your bags from Cambridge Satchel Company embossed. Great for a gift, for Christmas gift, or for yourself if you like. Again, this one will be 30% off during the Black Friday sale. Do you have a favorite Cambridge bag? Please let us know in the comments below. And if you want to share your chic, send me a photo of you with one of your Cambridge bag and you may appear in my next video. The next winter accessory that will elevate your outfits is collant fantaisie. Instead of wearing just black opaque tights in thick denier, we wear these collant fantaisie in lower denier. When you wear them with your dresses, your skirt, with simple shoes or ankle boots or knee-high boots, they add this touch of sexy inattendu. If you are looking for a pair of collant fantaisie that is slimming for your legs, you can try to find some with pinstrap, for instance. Our next winter accessory that will elevate your outfit are leather gloves. Leather gloves will instantly add sophistication to your outfit. For instance, these black leather gloves, I have them for a few years now and they still look great. Actually, I always find that the more you wear your leather items, the better they look. Inside, they are lined, so they are warm, and I just love putting my hands in there and they look cozy. I have a pair of red. These used to be my mom's gloves, and as she passed away this year, I'm gonna start wearing these gloves and they will remind me of her, and also they add a touch of a pop of color. Choose your leather gloves. They will elevate your outfits, your coats, and whether you choose them in a dark color or a pop of color, They will really elevate your outfit this winter. Do you love leather gloves? Let me know in the comments. Our next winter accessory that will elevate your outfit is suede ankle boots. Again, French women love suede boots or suede shoes in winter. They add a touch of luxury to the outfit. If you are worried in the winter of them getting wet and stained, just spray them with a water repellent and off you go. They will look just as new. Beige also is a good neutral to have because they will go with your outfits, whether you wear black, navy, grey, light neutrals. It is really a good color to have in your wardrobe. I also love the shape, so it's a bit of a mix of a Chelsea boot and also a bit of the cowboy boots inspiration. So here you are, some suede will elevate your outfits. The next winter accessory that will elevate your outfit is a pair of flat riding boots. So here are mine. They have the strap here at the ankle, they are flat, and they have this detailing here at the side and a zip, all in leather, ultra comfortable. You can wear them with not only your trousers but of course with skirts and dresses as well. I think a pair of riding boots, you can also have them in brown. They are timeless, they are a classic to always have in your wardrobe. A pair like this will last you for years. Actually, I've had mine for about maybe 6 years, 5 or 6 years I think, and I wear them every winter. A pair of riding boots is not only versatile but add this chic to your outfits winter after winter. The next winter accessory to elevate your outfit is with hats. For me, is the mariner's cap. I have a couple of this cap, a navy blue mariner's cap and a grey one. And I love them because they really frame your face really well. It adds really some kind of a panache to your outfit if you like. When it snows and when it's really cold, out come my Russian hat. So this one, I've had it for a few years now and it always comes in handy. It is so warm to the face. And look at this ear cover. So that keeps you really warm and toasty. I love the effect of the faux fur around the face. Here you are, this one really elevates my outfit when it's really, really cold. What type of hat do you wear in winter? Let us know in the comments below. The next accessory that will elevate your winter outfit is pearls, and especially pearl studs. You know, I always praise pearl studs. I wear them more than 90% of the time. But not only can you wear pearl stud with absolutely everything that you own in your wardrobe, but they give the wearer a beautiful subtle glow. Elevating your winter outfits with accessories has been really fun. But if you want to know 5 more ways to elevate your outfits, watch this video on screen now.